Hello and welcome to this special slow English lesson. Today you and I will learn English step by step, word by word, and sound by sound. This lesson is for you if you are a beginner, you feel shy to speak, you speak too fast and make mistakes, you want clear pronunciation, you want fluent and confident English. Today we learn the power of slow English. Why slow? Because when you speak slowly, your words are clear. Your pronunciation improves, people understand you, and your confidence grows. Speaking slowly is not a weakness. Speaking slowly is a strength. Speaking slowly is smart. Speaking slowly is beautiful. So today, relax your mind, sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and get ready to train your English like a champion. Part 1. Why slow English makes you fluent. Many learners believe, if I speak fast, people will think I am fluent. But this is not true. Fast English creates confusion, mixed words, bad pronunciation. Low confidence, slow English creates clear sounds, beautiful pronunciation. Strong voice, better understanding. High confidence, fluency is not speed. Fluency is clarity plus confidence plus calm speaking. Think about professionals. Teachers speak slowly. News reporters speak slowly. Motivational speakers speak slowly. Leaders speak slowly. Why? Because slow speaking shows control, and control is power. When you speak slowly, you sound intelligent. When you speak slowly, people listen to you. When you speak slowly, you become fluent naturally. Part 2. Train your brain for slow English. Your brain must learn one rule. I will speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. Here is a simple training. Step 1. Think one sentence. Step 2. Break it into small parts. Step 3. Speak gently. Step 4. Pause between every idea. Try this. I speak English clearly. I am learning every day. My voice is becoming confident. When you pause, your brain relaxes. When your brain relaxes, your English improves. This is the magic of slow speaking. Part 3. How to pronounce words like a natural speaker. To pronounce words clearly, follow these rules. Rule 1. Open your mouth more. When you open your mouth, the sound becomes clean. Try saying tea, me, free. Open your mouth and speak slowly. Rule 2. Stretch the vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Stretch them slightly. Example. Fine, nice, good. This makes your pronunciation clear. Rule 3. Break long words. Long words are difficult. Break them into small sounds. Comfortable, impossible, conversation, beautiful. When you break the word, your mouth moves slowly, and the word becomes easy. Rule 4. End your words properly. Do not cut the last sound. Example, don't say goin', say going. Don't say want, say want. Slow down the ending. This makes your English clean and professional. Part 4. Guided slow speaking practice. Repeat with me. Now speak with me. Repeat slowly after each line. Affirmations for confidence. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. My English is improving every day. I pronounce every word. I am confident when I speak. I am becoming fluent. I believe in myself. My voice is my power. Say each line with feeling. Say it like you mean it. This builds the confidence inside you. Part 5. 10 powerful slow sentences for daily training. Repeat each sentence slowly. 1. I am learning English with confidence. And 2. Every day my speaking becomes better. 3. I speak clearly and calmly. 4. People understand me when I speak. 5. My pronunciation is improving. 6. I enjoy speaking English. 7. I am patient with myself. 8. Slow speaking helps me learn faster. 9. I use simple English with clear words. 10. My English journey is beautiful. Say these sentences every day. Your brain will start speaking clearly naturally. Part 6. Slow English conversation practice. Here is a full conversation. Read slowly. Repeat slowly. Conversation 1. Meeting someone new. A. Hello, how are you today? B. I am good, thank you. How are you? A. I am fine. What is your name? B. My name is Ebrar. What is your name? A. My name is David. Nice to meet you. B. Nice to meet you too. Practice this 10 times. Slow speaking makes each sentence clear. Conversation 2. Daily routine. A. What do you do every day? B. I wake up early. I eat breakfast. Then I go to work. A. Do you study English? B. Yes, I study every day for 10 minutes. A. That is good. Small practice is powerful. B. Yes, I speak slowly and clearly. Conversation 3. Asking for help. I. Excuse me, can you help me? B. Yes, of course. What do you need? A. Can you repeat that word slowly? B. Yes, I can. A. Thank you. I am learning English. B. You are doing great. Keep going. Part 7. How to train your voice for clear speaking. Your voice is an instrument. Like music, your voice needs practice. Here are 10 slow voice exercises. 1. Breathe deeply. Deep breath equals clear voice. 2. Speak slowly, like reading a story. Imagine reading to a child. 3. Touch your throat when speaking. Feel the vibrations. This makes your pronunciation stronger. 4. Stretch long words. Speak them with control. 5. Practice in front of a mirror. Look at your mouth movement. 6. Record your voice for 10 seconds. Listen. Correct small mistakes. 7. Practice single sounds like the, she, shu, e, oo. 8. Speak from your chest, not from your nose. 9. Drink water. Hydrated voice equals clear sound. 10. Practice every day. Small practice beats long practice. Part 8. 50 essential. Slow sentences for real life. You can use these sentences anywhere. Practice slowly. Greetings. 1. Hello, how are you? 2. I am fine, thank you. 3. It is nice to meet you. 4. See you later. 5. Have a good day. Daily use. 6. I need help, please. 7. Can you repeat that slowly? 8. I don't understand. 9. Please say it again. 10. Thank you very much. Work 11. I will complete the task. 12. I am working on it. 13. I need more time. 14. Can we talk about it? 15. I appreciate your support. Communication. 16. I want to speak clearly. 17. I am learning every day. 18. My English is improving. 19. I speak slowly and calmly. 20. People understand me better now. Confidence. 21. I believe in myself. 22. I can do this. 23. I am not afraid to speak. 24. I am getting better. 25. I speak with confidence. Polite English. 26. Excuse me, please. 27. Could you help me? 28. Thank you for your time. 29. Sorry for the delay. 30. I appreciate your kindness. Conversation 31. What do you think? 32. Can I ask a question? 33. Let's talk about it. 34. That sounds good. 35. I understand your point. Learning 36. I enjoy learning English. 37. I practice every day. 38. Slow speaking helps me. 39. I repeat new words. 40. I listen carefully. Motivation. 41. One day I will speak fluently. 42. I am improving step by step. 43. Hard work always wins. 44. I am strong. 45. I am disciplined. Life. 46. I love growing every day. 47. I enjoy simple things. 48. I respect others. 49. I am grateful. 50. I am proud of my journey. Part 10. Motivational message for beginners. Dear learner, dear friend, dear English speaker, your English journey is special. Your progress is beautiful. Your voice matters. Your English matters. Your confidence matters. You do not need perfect English. You need clear English. You need slow English. You need confident English. Every day you are improving. Every day you are growing. Every day you are becoming better. Do not rush. Do not compare. Do not stop. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Speak bravely. The world will understand you. The world will listen to you because you are learning with heart, and that is true fluency. Stay with us. Your English journey starts here. As we reach the end of this lesson, I want you to pause for a moment and truly feel proud of yourself. Yes, you, right now. Because by listening, learning, and practicing slow English, you are doing something many people only dream about. You are pushing yourself forward. You are believing in your future. You are improving your life through small, simple steps. And that makes you powerful. This channel exists for one reason: to help you speak English with confidence, clarity, and calmness. We are not here to rush you. We are not here to confuse you. We are not here to overwhelm you. We are here to guide you slowly, step by step, with love, with patience, and with real support. And some of you are beginners, starting from zero. But let me tell you a truth. There is no small beginning. A beginning is a beginning, and it is powerful. When you take even one small step every day, you become unstoppable. And that is why this channel is here. To give you daily English, slow English, simple English, English that is easy to understand and easy to use. Because the world needs your voice. The world needs your confidence. The world needs your English. You are not alone. Many English learners feel alone. They feel shy. They feel nervous. They feel like their mistakes make them weak. But here, in this channel, mistakes are allowed. Mistakes are welcome. Mistakes are part of learning. You are not alone here. You are part of a community, a family of learners who want the same thing you do: better English, better communication, better confidence. And we are walking with you, why you should continue with this channel. Here you will always get simple English. No difficult grammar, no heavy vocabulary, just clean, slow sentences that anyone can understand. Slow speaking, not fast, confusing English, but clear, step-by-step speaking that trains your brain.